In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Calendar events to Notion. By the end, you'll have your Google events showing right inside Notion through Notion Calendar, so everything stays in one place and in sync. Start inside your Notion workspace on a page that already has a calendar. Look to the top right corner of that calendar and click Manage in Calendar. This button hands the calendar off to Notion Calendar, which is the scheduling companion to Notion. It's the same data, just opened in a dedicated calendar interface that's designed for connecting to services like Google. You'll be taken to Notion Calendar in your browser or desktop app. Give it a moment to load. On the left side, you'll see your account area and calendar list. Here, click Add Calendar Account. This is the option that links an external calendar service to Notion Calendar so it can display your events. Think of it like giving Notion Calendar permission to read your Google Calendar and keep everything in sync. Next, sign into your Google account. Choose the correct Google profile, enter your credentials, and approve the requested permissions. These permissions allow Notion Calendar to access your events so they can appear alongside your Notion calendars. If Google asks which calendars to include, pick the ones you want to see in Notion Calendar. You can adjust that later, but for now, select the essentials to keep things simple. Once you're signed in, that's it. Your Google Calendar events will begin to populate in Notion Calendar, and they'll be visible alongside your Notion Calendar view you started from. The initial sync can take a moment, so don't worry if it's not instant. If events don't appear right away, try a quick refresh or give it a minute to catch up. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you're in the right Notion workspace before you click Manage in Calendar, especially if you use more than one workspace. Keep your time zone settings consistent between Google Calendar and Notion Calendar to avoid confusion with event times. And remember, if you ever need to switch Google accounts, you can return to Add Calendar Account and manage your connections from there. That's all you need to do. You clicked Manage in Calendar, connected your Google account, and your events are now visible through Notion Calendar, integrated with your Notion workflow. If this helped, feel free to replay any section as you follow along, and enjoy having your schedule unified in one place.